What is up guys, my name is Talha and you are watching Gadgets is Fair. So this is the OnePlus pad. In today's video, I'm going to talk about what are the things which are new after the latest update. And obviously there are some just minor bug fixes, but I really wanted to make a video and tell you about the bug fixes that are mostly important in this tab. Let's get started. First of all, the double tap to wake and sleep was very laggy at that time with the latest update. Now since they have actually fixed it, it's a nice feature I would say. One more thing which you should actually consider, that is now the scroll has become a lot more smoother, so you will actually feel that this is the real 144 hertz. And also the animation of changing from landscape to portrait has gotten much smoother than before. That is one thing which I really love. The third thing that they have improved is actually the smoothness in Google Play Store. I mean, just scrolling up and down is a lot more smooth. It has a bit of jitters which you will notice, but yeah, that is something which I hope they will fix in the latest future updates. Now let's actually talk about the Geekbench score which you get. Now, I've actually tested many times. This was the best score I actually got. This is actually a score from before. So if you want, I'm going to test in the later videos as well. Right now, I don't really have that much time to show you the latest score, but this is what I usually get with the Oxygenus 15. We have 1781, which is as good as the 8 Gen 1, I would say. It's not as good as 8 Gen 2, but it's somewhere much better than the 7 Plus Gen 2, which you get in a lot of tabs, and it's actually better than the 8 Gen 1, as you guys can see. So it's close to 8 Gen 2, I would say. The multi-core is also not that bad. You get somewhere similar to 8 Gen 1 plus performance, I would say. It's actually really decent. So for video editing and stuff, you are not going to be disappointed. You are going to be very happy. I use this app called Power Director to edit videos, and this is perfect. It works perfectly fine. We have no issues whatsoever. It does take a bit of time to load. That's obvious because I have a lot of clips here, but yeah, it's a great app for video editing. You guys can see I've edited a lot of videos with this and there is no problem whatsoever. So that was my quick update with the latest update, and I think it's amazing. It's a great tab. It has a lot of things, and many people were asking me how I actually get this kind of keyboard. So there's an option called in Gboard, which is this one. Just tap on this button, you get split keyboard. That is something which a lot of you guys have asked. One more question, which is, should you get this tab under 25,000 Indian rupees or like 20k? If you get at that price, this is definitely worth it. But in case you're getting this, I'm like I've said this again and again, and I'm again gonna say that in case you are getting this tab for the price which is selling right now, like if I just tab OnePlus pad, in case you're getting for 28, 29,000, do not buy this tab. Buy the pad 2, which is at 36, I guess 36 or 37. This is much better, has a greater processor, much faster, smoother and all. So that is something you should definitely consider out. Now they have not really fixed the HDR issue in Netflix, but the thing is now it does work really well. Like the minor gaps and lags which we had earlier, now everything is gone. It works really well. In case, let me show you a video and try to play it. I hope I don't get copyright strike, so I'm not going to show you the full anything, but if you see this, you guys can see now it actually does get the screen a lot brighter than before. So that is something which was not possible. Look at that, you will even feel that what I'm talking about. Look at that, the screen gets brighter. So that is something which I like, yes, they have kind of fixed the issue where the screen was not that bright enough for watching movies and content. So that is something they have fixed. So this was pretty much it for a quick I mean, question and answers and everything you need to know about the OnePlus pad with the latest update. In case you have a lot of questions, just answer, comment down below. I'm gonna answer in the next video. That's it. Hope you like it. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace out.